2, 1. Hi shooters, this is Coach Blackburn coming to you from Grandview University in Des Moines, Iowa. The drill you selected is Let It Rain. In this drill, the shooter is going to shoot 25 consecutive shots around the three-point arc, and he's going to move his location on every single shot. So Camden is going to be our shooter for this demonstration. He's going to start on top of the key for his first three-point shot, and then he's going to move to a different location after each shot. Okay, so Joe's going to be faster. Go ahead, Joe. Okay, you see he's always shot ready, hands ready, always ready to shoot the basketball. As you can see, the mobile app. Good job, Camden. You're at 6, 2 for 6, 2 for 7. Let's get a couple in here. For today's drill, we have the iPad up, which is tracking Camden's misses and makes. Right now he's at 4 for 9. 15 shots to go. Shot Camden. This drill is good for shooters of all ages. It allows them to shoot game shots and allows them to move around the perimeter. After about 25 shots, most shooters are getting tired at that point, so it really enforces coaches' shooting technique, always making sure they're doing the same routine on every single shot. 9 more, Camden. You got some long misses. Joe's getting a workout on the rebounds. Good shot. Six more, Cam. 7 for 20. Cam's doing a nice job of following through, holding his follow through out there on every shot. 3 more shots. Shot. Good job, Cam. That's it.